Hey guys, Cyberden here, and in this week's video I'm going to be making over this chair. And I know what you're thinking, but Dana, that chair is magnificent. No. So I got this chair, I got this chair off Facebook Marketplace last October for about 60 Australian dollars, and it's a bit rough. It's a really nice style. I really like the shape of the back, the swoop of the armrests. It's just the paint job and the fabric, pretty much. So apparently it used to be painted black and the last owners painted it white. So I'm going to paint it black again because black is definitely more my aesthetic, personally. And I'm going to cover all of this stuff. For the weird kind of jungle print on the back and the arms, I'm going to try to cover it with a black and white stripy fabric. And for this cushion, I'm going to use some black velvet. This is a pretty solid couch. I think they said that this is the original horsehair. So it's pretty solid. It's like an outdoor chair feeling kind of chair. It's just solid. I did think about adding some padding to it so it would be a bit softer, but it's actually pretty comfy to sit on just like this. Nice, got the nice little armrest area. So I'm going to try to take off the jungle print, and if that doesn't seem like it's going to go too well, I have some cheap white cotton fabric that I will try covering it with first and then go with the stripy fabric. The stripy fabric I got is stripy in the wrong way, but that's okay because I'm going to make it work. I wanted it to be stripy vertically up and down, but it is instead horizontal stripes. And that just kind of looks like sailor goth, and I'm not really into that kind of aesthetic. I want the nice vertical stripes, very Betelgeuse kind of feeling. So I'm just going to have to make do. I'm thinking that I'll add probably seams along the dip here so you can't really see them. But other than that, I think everything should be pretty easy. So this top white part will come off, and then the back comes off, the arms will slide out, and the base is just a free floating cushion by itself. And then I can start painting. So let's get started. Alrighty, so cushion is off. We've moved it. I'm going to unscrew the back and take out all the fabric and then start painting. What? Oh, it has a lip on the bottom. Oh no, that's going to be fun. Great. So these were put in when they were still wet, so that one is glued in there. This is actually quite even just nice, just a naked frame like this. I think that's pretty cute. It is day 3 of this chair makeover. The top and bottom and the back piece have all been painted, and now we're moving on to covering all the cushions. And it's done! It took more than just one set of hands, as I'm sure you saw, because I couldn't physically use the staple gun. My hands were too weak and I was too scared. The base, I just hand sewed the velvet to the bottom of the cushion. The arms and the back were covered using both staple gun and also like I don't know what they're called, like furniture pins. They're just like little nails to hold the fabric in place. And the back and sides also have a piece of white, it was actually old bed sheet, just to cover up all of the raw edges. I absolutely love how this couch has turned out. If you can remember, it's old face with the kind of jungle print, the weird kind of homestead inspired like patchwork fabric bottom with one painted side, and the white wood, like all of it being painted white. It just looks so beautiful. Like when we finished putting it all back together, I almost cried because it's just we did a thing. I did a thing. It's here, it's beautiful, and I'm so excited to spend time in here, just chill out on my beautiful couch, drinking tea, away from the world a little bit, other than the sound of children playing basketball. But maybe I'll invest in an aircon unit and close the room off because my windows are open at the moment. But over the next few days we're going to assemble the rest of the room, decorate it to my heart's desires, and this will be my new studio where I can film makeup videos where you are at the moment, maybe film my Antipodean Witch box unboxings down here, just make it a bit more homey and a bit more fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did like this slightly different style of video, the DIY, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, because next week's video should hopefully be the room transformation where I show you a few clips of what it started like and show you what it will become. And then hopefully from there we'll be back to some makeup videos, some unboxing videos, all that good stuff, all peppered with some goth influence, obviously. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye! It's so beautiful. It's still super uncomfortable, but it's so weirdly comfortable. Like it's solid, but I'm here for it. I don't want to put my dirty shoes on it, so this is how it'll be. I'm gonna need like slippers for down here. Oh no.